LUGANDA XLz, third week of the excellence, ladies and gentlemen. Meant to entertain and inspire, as I told you before. God spoke to me, now I just want to make manifest. His message hit me in silence back when I was planning less. It was a long call, oops, I'm in a conversation. Now I'm far from knowing I'm blessed, fuck confirmation. That's why every time I rhyme it's like Chilomo. It's like I'm doing my last, you think I'm done? You don't know. I overdo it like Tamagenda Nibyayo. When I involve God, the blessings just multiply more. Faith, hope, and love are what he gave us. And don't forget the reason he got up out of that grave, us. So let's serve him. It ain't always about what you need. Nothing to where is it. Simpachino, Bachirimo, Wakabakabwe, Fenaturi Basika. So when you get a call from God, please pick up. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, as I told you before, third week of the excellence. Thanks for the support. I appreciate that, man. Everybody watching, everybody sharing these videos. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, like for real. So please like, comment, and share once again, and let's move this. Till next time, ciao.